Good morning. So our house, oh, that was terrible. Our house is a wreck. You can see there's stuff everywhere. I'm sure you'll see it. We went to Ikea yesterday. There was no way I was filming that. Six kids, 2 of them under 2, a ton of people at a great price. We spent $3,043. Yeah. But, and it's very hard to show you what it is because if I walk, these are all our boxes. And yes, we still have mess because these are things that need a home and their home lives in here. So we got, let's see if I can think of all this. We got a cube type thing for the boys that's gonna go back here. Yes, we set up this cute little tent. This room, it doesn't look like it now, will have like a TV here and a desk type area here, and then a table with stools. This will be like they can do school. The video game systems will be here, not rooms. We like it for when my extra car seat, remember when I didn't have that one little piece, but we have it for when we have everybody together. Kids are still close, but not all over the place. We're gonna do some form of couch chair set here, and then a little play area here. So his toys will be here, and I have, you'll see, I have like 10 areas. The top ones being what he can't see. So we have the toy bin that goes there. We have a high top table to go with our bar stools that are here because I wanted to utilize those. I just bought all of those. We have the entertainment center over here. We have a dining room table with 4 benches and 2 chairs that'll go here. We have some end tables for the living room, something for the TV. We have a kids dresser for the girls and the middle boys, and nightstands. Plus we have our dresser and 2 nightstands. I think that's it. But that's why, I mean, these boxes, some of them are so very heavy. There, and oh wait, and then over here too. So, and like this is suitcase. So we still have to do our garage, but the thing is we don't know everything that's gonna come out of the garage until we get some of this stuff done. So what else we got at Ikea are, these are the little, I'm not gonna take them out because I don't want them all over the place. These are the little inserts that we got for the top drawer, you know, like unmentionables or whatever. So that's what's in here. We got 2 for the boys, their dressers are gray, and then 2 for each of the girls and Caesar and I. So we got that. This is a little squeegee for the bathroom we found. He found some plugs. These are the kind of plugs that you plug in and then you have multiple cords for like electronics, because clearly we have a lot of people and apparently we need that. This is a plastic, listen, I've always put plastic bags in whatever, and now we have a real holder that will hopefully contain that. These are, I know this is a little funky of a pattern, but I don't have too many patterns. The only pattern I have in is my curtains. Can you see those curtains? So I got these just for a little bit of texture, because everything's pretty much gray, white, or black, and then we accent with blue and yellow. I don't have any yellow, but I'll probably do more like the flowers types yellow. But anyways, these, there's 10 of these. They're safe right now, I say, because they're there. But at some point, I might today start going through these toys and setting up these bins just to give us, I mean, we're trying to get the boxes out of the house so we can just see what kind of product we have. So we got those. We did get, let's see, we got another high chair that looks like this because we have another one coming up. We did get some of these, what are these, like the hard silverware. These are like the BPA free, but They're very sturdy. They're not like, you know, the ones from Target, which there's nothing wrong with those, but these are really nice. And they have bowls and plates and stuff like that, but we have some of those. And then that little piece needs to come off. They have live plants there. They have so much stuff that you can decorate with, but the girls wanted some of these in their room. And there's some other stuff like decor we wanted. We just really didn't have the room. As it was, we had to rent a U-Haul for all the boxes. So we will be going back, but I guarantee you we will not take everybody. It'll probably be like a girls trip. I also got 6 of these type of wine glasses. I have more of a red wine glass, so these are gonna be more like my white wine. So I did get 6 of those, and I think that's it. Also, as just like a quick little thing, we did get Target. We did an online order, so we got trash cans that need to go in rooms today. We got 2 more sets of silverware. Now you ask, why do you need so much silverware? Well, when we homeschool from home and we have everybody here, or we have a holiday, I want to have silverware for everyone. I hate not having silverware. So we have 2 more of those that we'll wash. And then these are the containers. Let's see if I can open them. These are 4 more containers. I can show you the food storage. So everything matches those. I'm even taking the containers off. So that will fill that area up. Those are all glass. So that's what we're doing. We're getting quotes on fences, and we have bought, let's see, we have paper, or we have somebody coming to paint who does an awesome job. We're going to start that, and I will show you these boxes. This is not a quick thing. It's a money-saving thing. Going to Ikea, and it's very sturdy, but we have to put all this together with 2 babies, and I work at least 4 days right now. So we will show you the progress as it happens.